What's up, everyone? It's Coach Nedu. I'm a Nike Master Trainer, Strength and Conditioning Specialist, Speed Agility Specialist, and also a former University of Texas Longhorn football player. Today we're going to be doing a high-intensity power workout. So a high-intensity power workout, that means we're going to be doing a lot of stuff to get your heart rate up. We're going to challenge your lower body, extremities, but also we want to work power so we build strength. Because as athletes, power is important to get from point A to point B with speed. So hey guys, with this workout, we want to make sure that we have some dumbbells and a kettlebell that we can also use. And then also we want to make sure that the shoes we have on are shoes that help with dynamic stability, right? So we're moving in lateral planes, we'll be jumping up and down, moving around quite a bit. So we want to make sure we have the right training shoes. These are my Nike shoes right now. The Nike Metcon 4 is one of my favorite pair of shoes. But hey guys, get ready for an intense workout and get ready to do this. The time is now. All right guys, so this is the warm-up portion of the workout. So what we're gonna do here is a sliding glide just to kind of get the body's core temperature up. So we're moving side to side or laterally as our arms move up and down, just to kind of loosen up the joints. Again, we're just trying to get the body's core temperature up. So if we're ever limited to space, you can do this in place or side to side here, or you can travel a little bit further. All right, so the next exercise I'm going to have us do is called a squat to stand. So the squat to stand, I'm actually going to reach down, grab my toes, pull my hips down, arms go between my knees, and I want to make a nice double chin with my neck, abs brace. Now I'm going to use my arms to push out here, so I get a nice stretch on my inner thigh. I'm going to lift my hips to get a hamstring stretch back here. Take it back down. Again, go to your range of motion. Only you know your body better than anyone else. Back up and back down. Get a nice hip mobility stretch right here. And so next up, I'm going to take us through a more lateral movement. So this is a high knee. Feel a stretch in your glutes here. And we're going to take it to a lateral lunge. I want to make sure we got a positive shin angle. So that means my knee's not collapsing and my knee's not moving out. Arms up, chest up. I'm going to alternate. Left knee, feel the stretch. Take it to the side, butt back. Remember, we don't want the knee going too far forward. We want to prevent injury here. And that's how to do a warm-up. All right, guys, so this is a high-intensity power training circuit, but it's also based on time. So we're going to go 30 seconds on, 15 seconds of recovery. We'll go for 2 rounds. I'm going to start the clock and go. So the first exercise we're going to do is called a kettlebell swing. As you see, I have dumbbells, so we can use a dumbbell to swing just whatever you got access to. So I'm going to start with my hips back. As I swing, I want to make sure I squeeze my armpits and don't go below here, right? So we can go heavier, we can go 2 dumbbells, we can swing with 2 dumbbells, but make sure we go between the legs and hike back up. Squeeze the butt cheeks at the top, squeeze your armpits as you're doing the movement here. And that's called a kettlebell swing, So now, your holding pattern in between different exercises. We're going to be in a nice boxer stand, right? The shuffle right here, just side to side, or we can step side to side. Remember, you know your body better than anybody else. Next exercise, we're going to start off with a lateral lunge to a push press. So alternating lateral lunge. I'm going to lunge, butt back, and then I'm going to drive through my legs, press from my ear, in alignment with my ear. Butt back, press, then press. Now with the weight, I want to make sure that I'm using a weight that's challenging, but not so challenging to where I can't get the weight actually up, right? Remember, you know your body better than anyone else. Maybe go no weight and just reach. And back to your boxer stance right here. Just recovering. We can go side to side, cha-cha slide, whatever you want to call it. Hey, during the course of this workout, you might hear me say some things like how you feel. I want you to tell me exactly how you feel, and that's great. Next exercise, we're going to do a renegade row from a side angle. I can start from my knees, modification. I'm going to pull towards my belt line and not straight up. Or I can go for my toes and make it a little bit harder here. Exhale as you pull. Important thing, want to really try to keep your hips steady and not pike the butt right here. Right? We're not trying to twerk or anything. So anyways, guys, we're going to stand back up. Again, boxer stand. Remember, this is 2 rounds we're going. So that means next round, we're going to really hit it pretty hard here. Side to side. Getting my mind right. Awesome knee tuck jump. These are my favorite to really get the heart rate up. So I'm gonna grab my knees as I jump. If you have any injury, take it down to a squat. Nice squat holding pattern here. Now you might be seeing someone else jumping up and down. It's completely all right. But remember, this workout's about you and how you feel during the workout. I want to make sure you push yourself, but don't get hurt. Awesome. Holding patterns. Remember, cha-cha with me. So my last name is Egwuagu. I'm Nigerian. So we got a lot of dancing a lot of rhythm in our culture. So you might see me dance a little bit. Next up, we're taking it back to a kettlebell swing. Remember your options. We can use 2 dumbbells here. Make it a little bit harder. Snap my hips forward. Big mistake I see people make whenever they're swinging. They try to throw their back out. We don't want to do that. We're not trying to go up here also. If you want to progress it, go up with the weights. And that's one of the ways we can progress something or take it down. We can just go into a hinge here. So back to your holding pattern. This is time for you to catch your breath. Cha-cha. Side to side. How you feel? You're supposed to say, I feel great. All right, so next exercise, back to your alternating lateral lunge to a push press. So really push yourself with each round. Butt back, press. Butt back, press. I can alternate. Butt back, one side. Butt back, one side. Butt back, together. Holding pattern. Right here. So remember, as we're getting close to the end of the workout, I want you to keep challenging yourself. It's about what you can do in this moment, right now. Side to side, and renegade row. So if the first round you did from your knees, maybe try and do this. You can add a push-up into there, and then row. Take it from your toes, push-up, row. Or back to the knees. Remember, this workout's about you, nobody else. What do you have? Do you have what it takes? Keep pushing. Back down. Good. We're going to pop it back up. Holding pattern. So this last one, remember we're going knee tuck jumps. Get your mind right. How you feel? I hear you. I feel great. You look great. You look sweaty too, just like me. This is real sweat. All right, knee tuck jumps. Double time. Or take it back to your holding pattern, right? It's all about the mindset. Keep pushing. Even if that's too much, take it to a quarter squat, right? If you have any type of injury, know your limitations. I'm quarter squatting. Halfway, back to your holding pattern. So guess what? I know you thought the workout was done. We're gonna do finishers. Either you finish the finishers or they finish you. So that's what we call them finishers right here. So we're gonna do burpees. We're gonna drop down, push up, jump back up. Option 2, back down, push up, pop back up. No push up, pop back up. There's different options for every single person. Keep working, guys. Hey, you look good on camera. I know they say the camera adds weight, but we're adding more weight to those weights that we're moving. Awesome. And back to your holding pattern. So this is part of the recovery part right here. Just trying to bring your heart rate down. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Now I'm gonna add a shuffle. So we're gonna go side to side twice. And stretch. Butt back. Good. And then in place, we're going to grab at our ankle, knee down. Alternate. Hold it. As you're stretching here. Catching your breath.
Activity completed.
And just like my series said with the British accent, so hey guys, the workout's finished. I want to say something. Hey, you're athletes. You have the mindset of an athlete. And as an athlete, it's here to overcome. That's what we're about right here. You didn't let the workouts finish you, and you didn't let the finishers finish you. So now the time is now. So hey, I'm excited for what you've accomplished just with this workout. So remember, we got plenty more. More challenges are going to come. More opportunities for you to reach different levels and different heights are going to come. But hey, until next time, I hope to see you there.